Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it.
Already did it. Already did it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day if you're watching this on the day that I upload. Today I figured it would be really fun to share a pet DIY because my pet is my Valentine. Sorry Dylan, she's also his Valentine. We are just obsessed with our cat Piper, so we wanted to make a little DIY for her. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. And without further ado, let's get into this DIY. So first things first, this was the inspiration for the DIY. I saw it when I was on Pinterest and I really wanted to make something similar. I was also super inspired by the structural idea of my friends over on TikTok called Probably This. They are the sweetest ever, and I saw them make a table out of PVC and I just had to try it. Here is a list of all of the supplies that you would need for this project. I started off by going to my local hardware store and picking up all of these items. We started off this project with the wood rounds, and we used a wood conditioner on them to prep for the stain, and this just helps to keep from any streaks or buildup of the stain in any one area. And then we just went ahead and stained the wood, and the stain that I like to use for the majority of my projects is Special Walnut. I just really love this stain and I thought it would be perfect for this one. And we let that dry for a good long while before we wiped off any excess, and then we applied 3 coats of this sealant. I recently discovered this sealant and I really like it because you don't have to sand in between the layers, which is a big time consumer for these projects. Once those were complete, it was time to move on to the PVC pipe. So we cut all of our PVC pipes to be the same exact height, and we used the height of a side table because we wanted it to be multi-use. Once they were all cut, it was time to wrap them. So this is the material that I use, kind of like a textured rope. We've used this before for a project for Piper and she really liked it, so we used it again. But this was really easy to do. All you have to do is hot glue the end on and then wrap it, and you want to make sure that the end is really secure all the way around that loop. And then every now and again you can add a little bit more glue just to make sure that the rope isn't moving up and down on the pipe. Once you have it all glued on, it should look something like this, and you can make however many of these that you want for your own design. And the last step is to just put it all together. So we tried a few different methods for this and had some fails. The first thing that we tried was actually putting a little piece of wood onto the wood round, nail gunning it down, and then nail gunning the piece of PVC pipe over top of that, which in theory this would work, but it just wasn't that secure for us because we had the rope around it and everything. So we ended up opting out for some E6000 glue. This stuff is industrial if you let it sit long enough, and I love it. I use it for so many different projects. So we just glued them all down onto the bottom wood round, and then we added the other one on top afterwards, also with some E6000. We let it sit and dry for a really long time, and then you can also add a throw pillow to it if you want. Here are some clips of Piper enjoying our new little side table / cat tree. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are not following me on all my other socials, again, they are all right here. I will see you guys all next week on Sunday for a brand new video. Bye guys.